In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and run employee rotations. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Select the location you would like to add rotations for, then click on Employees. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Rotations. You should now arrive at a list of your rotations and a calendar with your rotations on it. I do not have any rotations for September, but if I go to the calendar icon and click the forward arrow, you'll see there is a rotation in effect for the month of October. To add a new rotation, click Add at the bottom of the chart or the top of the chart. I'll go ahead and click on the top one. Then give your rotation a name. I will just put New Rotation and choose a start date. I'll go ahead and have mine start at the beginning of the month so we can see it. If you don't want to do this, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Add. And now that new rotation has been created. To add a pattern to your rotation, click the Add button under Pattern. Choose the order. Do you want this to happen first, second, third? I'm going to leave it at 1. Then choose the number of days. I'll go ahead and change this to 4. If you want your employees to be on for these 4 days, leave it at on. If you want them to be off, select this arrow and choose off. I'm going to leave this at on. Then you can choose the hours. Right now it's for all day. If I click this arrow, I can add specific times. I might put from 8 in the morning to 11 p.m. because those are the hours of the restaurant. If I don't want to add this pattern, I will choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Add. To exit out of this menu, go ahead and choose Close, and then refresh your calendar. Now you can see that rotation is in effect. Because I don't have any other rotations, it's showing back-to-back days on. If I want, I can add a second rotation pattern by clicking on Add. This will be order number 2. I will choose 2 days and change this to off. Then choose Add and Close. Again, I do need to refresh this calendar. And now you can see what this pattern looks like: 4 days on, 2 days off. That's how you can create your patterns with days on and days off. Next, I need to assign employees to these rotations, otherwise they're not going to do anything. To do that, click the Add button under Assigned and choose some employees. Let's say Barbara. Go ahead and add her. Then I will add Harold, and we'll do one more, Susan. Now those employees have been added to this rotation. If I scroll down to the bottom, at the bottom of your screen is a green save bar letting you know when this page was last saved. If I want to delete any of this, say I didn't mean to do Susan, I can check Susan and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 will make sure I do want to delete this employee. If I don't, I'll hit Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now that employee has been removed from this rotation. I could do the same thing to a pattern. If I don't like that pattern, I can click the box, choose the Delete button under Pattern, and then choose OK. If I scroll back up to the top, to go back to your list of rotations, choose the back button at the top of your screen, and now you should be back at your list of rotations. Right now I'm looking at the month of September. If I hit the forward arrow, you can see the 2 rotations that I have in effect for the month of October. If I want to adjust either of these rotations, I can click on the rotation name, and I will be taken to that rotation's details. If I wanted, I could change the start date for this one. Maybe we'll do the 1st of October instead. I'll choose Save. Then I can go back, change this to the month of October, and you can see that second rotation is indeed starting on the 1st of October. If I want to delete a rotation, I will select that rotation and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 again is going to make sure you do want to delete that rotation. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that rotation has been deleted, and a green save bar has appeared at the bottom of my chart, letting me know when that change occurred. The calendar is not automatically updated, so refresh the page by hitting the refresh icon. And now that old rotation has been removed from my rotation calendar. That's how you can add, edit, and delete employee rotations. To learn more about your TeamWork 5 account, check out the next video.